Welcome to the Argo Translation video series on how to translate your WordPress website using the WPML plugin. Today we'll cover step 1, which is to install and purchase the WPML plugin. So to get started, you will go to WPML.org, and then on the home page you will go to the first option you see here, which is Buy and Download. You'll then be presented with 3 different options that WPML offers. Our recommendation is this middle option, which is multilingual CMS. So what you would do is then purchase that, and you'll be provided 4 plugins after you purchase it. And then we're going to visit the Argo Translation WordPress instance to show you how you would then install those plugins. So since the Argo site has already been translated, these have already been installed, but what you would do as a user is go to Add New in the Plugins menu, and then the 4 that you'll get as part of the WPML plugin are down here at the bottom, and they are called WPML Media. And there's a description of each of them to the right that you can see here. WPML Multilingual CMS, WPML String Translation, and WPML Translation Management. And after you do that, you'll complete the first step in order to translate your WordPress website.